Wiki. That's why they are quiet. But the Rivers, you only need to pray for that governor. The governor does not know what is even happening. But and only time will tell what is really behind what he is doing that you are not clear. But if he says that is the path he has chosen, you can only wish him well. You cannot govern the state. He's the governor. He's the governor of the state. He said, "I want to violate constitution. I want to restore the speaker that was duly removed because he defected. I want to represent the budget. I want to break the law." He said he wants to do it. One is a free moral agent. You have to allow him to do that. But what I can tell you today, I can tell you today is that the governor of Rivers State has fallen into the trap that they want. It's just a matter of time. They will remove him as a governor.
Thank you so much, Sham. Your brother is great. Tinubu's man said Rivers State Governor Sam Fubara will soon be removed from office. You all know this man must have access to certain valid information. So we cannot dismiss what Daniel Bola is saying with a wave of hand. He said the Rivers State Governor will soon be removed from office. Well, the governor will have to sit up and know what to do. It's teaching time, they say, save 9. Whatever action he needs to take, let him not take it. Tinubu's man have revealed that the Rivers State Governor will soon be removed from office. Let those around the governor do the needful to save the governor from being disgraced. Let us act fast so that the governor will not be removed from office because of the crisis that will envelop Rivers State if the governor unconstitutionally is removed from office. Because as today, Fubara have not committed any offense that will warrant anybody impeaching him. So let us share this video and subscribe to this channel and call Tinubu and his co-conspirators to order. Let them allow peace to reign in Rivers State. The governor must not be removed. Share this video and subscribe to this channel.